Figureheads are really a dime a dozen. Naming a facility or a building or even a trail after someone can be little more than a gesture. But with Gerry, the proof is in the pudding, and this is a well-deserved honor. He has been an advocate for the preservation of open space, and his leadership paved the way for the successful acquisition of thousands of land for parks. When it came to the CCT, Gerry worked tirelessly to add a piece here, to get a right away there. Ultimately, he made needed amendments to the comprehensive plan. From concept to reality took several years, but Gerry, you made this happen despite the obstacles, the delays, and the naysayers. Therefore, on behalf of the park board and many people who love this trail, we say thank you.
This trail is a way for folks to ride bikes, to hike with their friends, or even to ride horses. But it's also about connectivity from one end of this community to the other, and it's also about our continuing commitment to promote fitness and healthy living. Trails do not just magically appear for our enjoyment. Their construction and maintenance takes hours of dedicated planning and labor. While recognizing Congressman Connolly championing this trail, I want to recognize the many individuals who also worked behind the scenes to create the CCT.
Well, I think we're celebrating the triumph today of the partnership of citizens who get an idea and get behind it, and their elected officials. And now we have a 41-mile trail that runs through every magisterial district from Great Falls in the north to Lorton in the south. And it's a wonderful amenity for future generations. And I'm just honored that that they have chosen to name it after me. It's really a very humbling experience.